useful, entertaining, or educational content that stands out. Remember, investing. Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you're passionate about expanding your reach on YouTube, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing actionable strategies that can significantly accelerate your channel growth and engage your audience. Let's jump right in. First and foremost, let's talk about content quality. In a sea of videos, the most successful creators consistently deliver high-value content. Identify your niche and understand what your target audience craves. Aim to provide insightful, good production quality, clear audio, proper lighting, and professional editing can make a world of difference in how your content is perceived. Next, let's master video optimization. This is crucial for discoverability. Craft compelling titles that incorporate relevant keywords. This is what viewers will search for. Your video description should not only summarize the content, but also include keywords naturally and links to your social media or related videos. Additionally, tags help categorize your content, so use them wisely. A visually appealing thumbnail is equally important. It's your first impression, so make it count. Engagement is essential for building a loyal community. Make it a point to interact with your viewers through comments. Responding to feedback shows you value their viewers to comment and share their thoughts. Creating polls or community posts can also foster a deeper connection with your audience, making them feel more involved in your channel. Now, let's discuss strategic promotion. Don't solely rely on YouTube's algorithm. Actively promote your videos across multiple platforms. Share snippets or trailers on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to drive traffic to your channel. Collaborating with fellow YouTubers can also introduce your content to new viewers. Additionally, consider participating in online communities and forums relevant to your niche. Just ensure you're providing value and not simply promoting your videos. Finally, it's vital to analyze your performance regularly. Utilize YouTube analytics to assess metrics such as view duration, click-through rates, and audience demographics. Understanding which videos resonate most with your audience allows you to refine your content strategy. Don't hesitate to experiment with new formats or topics based on these insights. Adaptability is key to sustained growth. To wrap up, these strategies can help you effectively grow your YouTube channel and foster a dedicated community. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on growing your online presence. I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments. What strategies have worked for you? Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you.